Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to decorate my catch-all planner, which is called Deep Botanicals from the Heavy Planner, and it is a classic size one. It is for the week of October 23rd through the 29th. I'm going to be using a couple sticker books. So first and foremost, the main one is going to be Whimsical Fall from Live Love Posh. It's an older book and I really like the images in it. I'm going to be keeping up with the Halloween decorations here. So we're going to keep going with that. And look at these boxes. And yes, I know I'm putting it upside down, but when I write in it, nobody will know. So yeah. So I'm going to put another one on the other side in the fashion that I normally do. And as I'm doing this, I would like to welcome you to my channel if this is your first time. And if you are coming back to spend more time with me, welcome back. Thank you. And I'm so happy you're here to spend some time with me. The next box that's going up is going to be that coffin shape one. And I'm going to go ahead and pull some of these stickers from Live Love Posh possibly to add to the spread. They do match, but I will see. So I'm gonna see how many decorations I have in this one and then go from there. I did use one page of these before, so I don't have a full pick of my choice, so we shall see what happens. But let me add these trees first. Like, look how cool and spooky they are. Like, I really like that. So I'm adding those and I'm trying to see what else I have. But yes, my 2 pages went very quickly, you guys. And let me know if you enjoyed these stickers, if you have this book, or if you don't like bats. So I honestly think bats are kind of amazing, and I am thinking of putting some bat houses and the trees high up by me, mostly for them to eat the bugs and the mosquitoes. So I am fully bat endorsing, I guess. Okay, so time to add some other boxes into this mix and some checklists to make sure that I can actually function in the spread. It's going to be very decoration heavy, but as you guys know, function is my #1 priority in this always. As much as I love decorating, if I can't actually use it to move forward a little, then I wouldn't be doing it. So okay, so I'm gonna add some checklists. I found a color that matches it practically like right on point, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna add those. Look how cute! I'm so excited. Okay, and I'm gonna add some long full ones. Well, let's maybe turn them so they're not upside down. To some full boxes here, so I have a full array of checklists if I want to. I am such a list maker. I don't know if I realized that prior to like planning of when I discovered the world of planning, I think I realized how much I really enjoy lists. At some point I did try a horizontal planner, and that just did not work out for me. My brain doesn't think horizontally, it thinks vertically in lists. So once I discovered the vertical layout, this was like a perfect marriage. So just works out with my brain. My brain is happy. So I'm just adding a few small checklists and big ones too. So this way it will keep me honest and on task throughout the week. Let me know what you guys prefer. If you prefer checklists, bullet points, that like little dots with a marker, freehand, like whatever you guys prefer, let me know. I'm so curious to see what everybody's preference is for their to-do list, So if you guys haven't noticed, I am a huge chocolate junkie and I just love it. I can't help myself. So that's what's going on here. And that I think I'm going to be like this for the rest of my life. Or I hope so, because I really do enjoy being that part of myself where it's kind of organized and on task. Okay, next up, we are going to be doing some boxes, lots of them, because I need to be able to put down things that we're doing. There's so many things going on this time of year in my house, in my household, and gatherings at work. So I just need to be able to fit all of those in. And as always, those little guys that I just placed, one of them is going to be responsible for my work schedule. So this little guy is like the smallest box. So I really do enjoy these. And there we go. So I'm going to place this down. I think these are so fun. Let me know what you think, because like I said, these guys keep my schedule so well. You guys have a favorite size of a box? I think mine is that second one I placed where it's slightly bigger. It's like double the little one. I would say that's probably my favorite size. It's just big enough to write in all the stuff you need and not huge enough where you feel like you need to fill in the space. So I think that would be my favorite. Okay, so boxes are on, checklists are on. Back to decorating, my favorite part. So let's add more florals up here. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of put it on the side, cover this little task list up because it makes no sense for it to be there. I don't use it. I really don't. So I'm gonna add some more trees up here. Look how beautiful these are. These are really nicely crafted and they look so cool in the planner. So I'm gonna add some florals because what is my planner without actual florals, you guys? I think I would not enjoy that at all. It's just me, but I am definitely a planner floral girl. Okay, so I'm gonna add this to the side to kind of fill in that space. I really hate open spaces like that, so as long as there's something in it, it's gonna keep me calm, cool, and collected. So there we go, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little bit more and then add this on top of a box to kind of add a little pizzazz in that white space right there. And then since I left a little bit of that white space for the tree, I can add those flowers around there. And look how cool it's looking. The purples and the deep maroon reds are really working together to complement each other, which I love. So I'm gonna add that little piece right there. And I think that is starting to look really complete and really full, which I really like. So are you guys more of a white space or are you more of a full spread like myself? Let me know. I am assuming that most of you will be a little bit of a fuller spread like myself because, you know, every tribe finds its own. So you guys are my peeps, and my peeps are probably liking similar things to me, or I'm just assuming. And I shall find out. But here we go. So another flower on Sunday to fill in that space. I know that I'm going to be doing some things on Sunday, so this way it's full. And then some on Monday, and the spread is looking really full. I love it. You guys, we have trick-or-treating in my town on Sunday, and that's to allow families and kids to actually trick-or-treat in the daylight. So it is like from 1 till 4 or 4:30, and this way families get to come on a Sunday after like a town event And I really enjoy that because I like seeing these little kids with costumes, and it's so cute. So the 29th is going to be a busy day, but I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, so I'm adding little bats throughout my spread. If you don't like bats, I am so sorry. So again, that sticker book is called Whimsical Fall. It is great, and I used the Autumn book from Jojo, and I think this is all set. Let me know if you liked that one, and if so, leave me comments down below. Answer some of the questions I've been asking, and I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great week ahead. Bye!